Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing the light source and a clean base coat. Once done, thin your paint to a 0.5:1 consistency so it flows without blobbing. Make a faint pencil guide where the lightning will travel across armor or terrain. This keeps lines dynamic. Use a fine round brush and pull a fast, confident stroke from origin outward, short bursts, not one slow tremor. You want crisp edges, thin layers dry fast, so repeat until opacity is right, making sure to keep edges sharp for later glow. Next, define the lightning core and halo. First, paint the brightest core using pure white or a very pale blue along your pencil guide. Short, jagged strokes emulate electricity. Once the core is done, glaze outward with mixes of blue and cyan, thin to about 10–20% medium. Multiple thin glazes build a believable glow. Make sure to feather the halo edges with a damp brush or soft drip brush to avoid hard lines. This creates a smooth transition from intense center to soft ambient light. Finish by sharpening and integrating the effect. You add micro highlights and tiny forked sparks using a near-dry fine brush. Use single pixel dots and short strokes to suggest flicker. Once done, paint subtle reflections on adjacent surfaces using a diluted version of the halo color so they read as light cast. Make sure to seal with a satin varnish for consistent sheen. If something looks off, thinly glaze correction colors or reapply small white highlights to restore punch. This fixes softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.